Hey everyone, Jacob from Getz Handyman here. Today I'm going to show you different drywall anchors and how they are working. So let's start with the first one. Triple grip, 46 pound. In order to install it we need to make a small hole. So let's make a small hole here. Hopefully that will be enough. Open it. Let's see if that's enough for us. Need a little bit more. That should be good. We putting it like that, and we put the screw inside. And it should get open in the back. This one is another drywall anchor. It's a little bit stronger than the blue one that we used before. The way to put it, you don't need to make a hole before, you just put the head inside and it will make the hole for you. This one is a toggle anchor, and the way we are using this one, we are already creating a hole. We're going to push it inside the hole and we're going to put this one in like that. Now that it's secure, we can take this one, we can break this one, take the screw that's meant for it and just push it in. This one is a new drywall anchor. It's meant for 200 pounds and it's also semi toggle bolt. I never tried before. Let's try it and see what we're getting. This one is not exactly making a hole for me. Okay, 20. Let's see what it's doing. I kind of messed it up because I did a big hole, but that should do it. Okay, those are the different anchors that we can use. The toggle one have different one. You can use them also for heavy duty. And that's about it. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and check the links below. Let's take a look how the anchors look from the other side of the drywall, just for us to understand. So let me do a little bit zoom. This one got open like that. This one is getting stuck like that. And as you can see, the toggle one is the most secure one because it's holding it, really holding it from the back of the drywall.